5 Claude sessions, all working in parallel. One on the bug, one on the tests, one reviewing the pull request. And you're not babysitting any of them. You're watching one screen, and the screen tells you which one needs you. Okay, so here's the thing. Claude Code shipped a feature called Agent View. You open it with one command, and it gives you a dashboard for every Claude session running on your laptop. Each row is a separate conversation, doing its own thing, in its own folder. Working, waiting for input, finished. The color of the icon tells you instantly. If you've ever opened 5 terminal tabs to run 5 Claude sessions in parallel, you can stop doing that now. Starting a background session is one flag. You point Claude at any task. Fix this test, review this PR, refactor this function. And it goes away and does it, without a terminal attached. No tab, no window, no screen session. Just a prompt, a name, and a short ID printed to your shell, so you can find it later. You can fire off 3 of these in a row, and they all run in parallel. And this isn't a tweet, by the way. This is straight from the official docs, right there on screen. Now here's the genuinely clever bit. Before any background session writes a single file, Claude moves it into an isolated Git worktree under your project. Each parallel session reads the same checkout, but each one writes to its own branch, its own folder. So 2 agents working on the same repo never step on each other. No merge conflicts midstream. No accidental overwrites. Each session has its own sandbox, and when you delete the session, the sandbox goes with it. The other thing that surprised me, these sessions don't need your terminal. There's a process running in the background called the supervisor, and it hosts every dispatched session. Close your shell, close the dashboard, the work keeps going. Claude Code auto-updates, the supervisor restarts itself into the new version, and your sessions survive. The only thing that stops them is your laptop sleeping. And the interaction model is honestly kind of beautiful. You arrow up and down between rows. Space opens a peak panel. Last output, the question it's stuck on. Hit enter, and you attach, which means you're in that session's full conversation, exactly as if you'd run Claude there yourself. Hit left arrow, and you detach back to the dashboard. The session keeps running. You're not committing to anything by looking. So what changes? Your laptop is a small Claude server now. You dispatch tasks the way you'd file tickets. You check in when something pings you. You merge the pull requests that turn green and ignore the rows that don't need you. The terminal stopped being where you talk to Claude. It became the control panel for a fleet of them. We're going deep on Claude. Grow with us. Like, subscribe, comment what you think.